Welcome to Chota Science. Today I am going to discuss one of the most important questions, that is, why is the space silent? At the end of this lecture I will ask you an awesome question as well. I have three reasons for explaining this question, and the first reason is no medium. We all know that sound needs three mediums: air, water and solid materials in order to be propagated and proceeded from one place to another. But the space has no medium of air as well as no medium of water, and it has only solid materials. I will teach you the concept of solid materials in the third reason. Due to the absence of air and water, sound is not propagated from one place to another, because these two are the main sources of sound in order to carry sound from one place to another. And the space has no air as well as no water, therefore there is no source else in order to propagate the sound, like we hear the sounds and voices of one another on the earth by means of air and by means of water. Hence the space remains silent. Now the second reason is no molecules. We all know that sound is the form of energy. It press against the molecules of any medium vibrate so that the sound propagates. But the space has no air as well as no water. It means there are no molecules of air and there are no molecules of water. Due to the absence of molecules of air as well as the absence of molecules of water, there is no source else in order to propagate sound from one place to another place. Hence the space remains silent due to the absence of molecules of air and molecules of water. The third reason is very interesting. I will teach you the concept of solid materials in this reason. From solid materials I mean heavenly bodies, and from heavenly bodies I mean the sun, the stars, the moon, the meteorites, etc., which are heavenly bodies and are present in space. Huge explosions are taking place in those bodies, but we don't hear the sound of those explosions. Why? Consider the following phenomena is for heavenly bodies. For example, star A, star B, star C, and star D. For example, the sound is producing in star A due to explosions, but the sound is not propagating to star B because there is some empty space available between these two stars. Similarly, explosions are taking place in these four stars, but the sound is not propagating from one star to another due to empty spaces available among these four stars. And these empty spaces are collectively called as vacuum. And vacuum doesn't allow sound, therefore, the space remains silent due to vacuum. Now the question is, how do astronauts communicate each other in space? Answer the question and subscribe.